Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have a Diamond Art Club sneak peek, well, first look. This is Country Gate by Chuck Pinson. It is absolutely stunning. I love it. So it's kind of like a first look video here because it was released last weekend. I did just look at their website. This is still in stock. This is so pretty. Like, I'm obsessed with these like lilac looking colors, and the rendering of this painting is just, it's unbelievable what those rendering people at DAC can do. I'm so impressed. Anyway, it is a square drill kit and it is quite massive. It is 92.8 centimeters by 69.9 centimeters. Totally massive. We're gonna go ahead and open this puppy up here. I love Chuck Pinson. I've always said like my style of diamond painting is more like colorful and quirky and cute, right? I don't do too many landscapes. I've done a few, and actually every single one I've done has been a Chuck Pinson. But those are the kind of, paintings I can give to my grandma for Christmas, I don't think that she would care about a colorful cat, for instance. Just saying. But Chuck Pinson's one of my all-time favorite artists. He's like, I'm obsessed with his landscapes. So we have our insert box here. We have our toolkit, the welcome, little insert card, mabob, fancy folding here. This has a QR code to their Facebook group. Save 20% off. Also, if you haven't purchased from Diamond Art Club before, I'll have my affiliate link in the description of this video. You can get a discount and I get a slight kickback as well. It has your kit contents, tips and tricks, of course step-by-step instructions, and we have our stickers, or a little thing for our logbook here. You can put your start date, your end date. Look how pretty this is. Like, I am obsessed. Like, so many different colors of flowers. And those mountains back there, I love this so much. And it has a ton of colors. Well, I guess not a ton. I was expecting more, actually. Interesting. So we have 61 colors here. That's a decent amount there. And we have 1 AB and 3 fairy dust. We have their standard symbols. This is another thing I like about DAC. They don't have those quirky, weirdo symbols. Although that one right there kind of looks, look at this guy, that looks like eyeballs and a nose. Does anyone else like name their symbols or something? Like, I'm looking for my hourglass now. I do it all the time. My favorite symbol isn't on here, but that's okay. If you want to know my favorite symbol, you better just keep watching videos. So yeah, these are all individualized stickers, as you could see here. They are like stronger grip stickers too, so they don't come off your, containers super easy like most do. So you can label your colors and put the corresponding drills in there, and it really helps you out. And then right here, this start and end date is also a sticker with the little preview here. So you can, if you kit up more than one project at a time, you can keep track of which is which, because if you mix them up, that would be bad. And we have our toolkit here. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in just a little bit. I'll go through the toolkit pretty quickly. I think we all pretty much know, if you're brand new to diamond painting and you haven't purchased from DAC before, I'll just do a quick run through. So this is a Diamond Art Club, one of their self push out putty pens. There's probably a fancier word for that. It comes with your 4-placer if you want to do more than one drill at a time. This right here is a lid that just pops off, and it has putty already inside of it, and you twist very, very slowly and the putty starts to come out. And it's not like cheap putty either. It's like, it grips pretty well. If you need to refill it, this whole thing, you just grab right here and it all twists off. If you need to refill your putty, you get your extra baggies here, just in case, you run out of storage or you have leftovers or something. This is their new upgraded diamond painting tray. It has a stopper here. It's like thicker plastic. This is the putty you can use to refill that pen. If you're not a putty user, you have this pink wax here that you could use. And we have a single placer. You just have to have your own pink pen, of course. And then it looks like a 7 placer. So that is the tool kit. Most of my other unboxings has, you know, like more detailed of those tool kits. If you want to know more. I am eager to open up this canvas though. So it is quite huge. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out here and flatten it out because I'm gonna have to work around my space here to make sure all of it is in, all of it's in view for the video. So I'm gonna just take it out here real quick and then I might pause the recording. We're taking it out of the plastic here. Whew. There we go. All right, toss that over there. Okay, let's see here. So we're going this way. Yep. It's gonna take up quite a bit of my table here. Wow, look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. So can I zoom out anymore to see? I'll get a better view of this in just a second. But just like glancing at this, oh my gosh, it's just so pretty. Like, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. We'll take a closer look at the canvas, don't worry. But look at these little cows here. Oh my gosh, I just love this. I'm like flipping out here. And I'm gonna try to move the canvas. You have this really, really pretty, like pink, purpley color tree thing, the fence, and you have your blue flowers at the bottom here. Oh my gosh, it's just so, so stunning. You have these other like farm buildings back here. Wow. I am obsessed. Okay, we're gonna take a closer look at the canvas, but we're gonna look at the drills first, and then I'll try to set this up in a different way. So I'm just gonna set this over here real quick. Let's take a look at these drills. So it may not have like a bazillion colors, but there's a lot of each one. And I just looked at the drill field. It looks very blended and incredible. It's amazing. So we're gonna go through these drills one by one. Sorry if you think this part is boring. Feel free to fast forward. But we are gonna go through them one by one. All right. You have like a brown, you know, copper here kind of thing. 6033, 2 bags. We have 934, 1, 2, 3 bags. Let's see. I'm all tangled here. 6014, 2 bags of 936, 646. This is what I mean. These, I don't know if the camera's picking up. There's like a slight difference in those greens there. So they have the fading of the colors just amazingly on there. We have 471, 822. It looks like 471 wanted to give 822 a hug here. oh, we got 2 bags of 822. 3782. 3864. You know, I'm looking at where I'm recording and these kind of look green on the video, but they're not. They're like tans. I don't know if you all see green, but I'm looking at my phone here and it looks green. But they're not. Those are like tans. And this 935 looks like a really dark green. We have 3 bags of 935. 3836, super pretty purple. All right, go on to our next strip here. Okay, we have another green 611, yellow. Ooh, Z739. This is like a pale yellow fairy dust. That is so pretty. Those are like drills with, I don't know, they look like there's glitter coating on the top. So we have 2 full bags of Z739. That is amazing. Now we have 169. It's like a darker blue color. We have 3 big bags of 640. 3041. 3371, 842, 2 bags of 842. We have 2 big bags of 168, it's like a gray color. 414. 2 big bags of 3051. This is like a mustardy color. 834. 2 bags of 3860. Next. I'm not going in any particular order. I'm just grabbing the next strand. Okay. We have more greens. 371. 2 bags of that. Ooh, here's our other fairy dust. Oh, wow. It's like a dark green one. Look at that. Look at that shimmer on those drills. Oh my gosh. I don't think I've seen this fairy dust before. That is really, really pretty. Okay, so we have 2 big bags of those, and then 3787, we have 2 big bags. 645, we have 2 bags. Lots of greens. 3011, 2 bags, more green. 2 bags of 647, kind of looks like a maybe a pale dark green or like a gray. 791, 2 bags of 372. 2 bags of 3781. 3064, 310. Only 1 bag of 310, y'all. Mark the records. 3859. Okay. Is this the last one? Nope. We got, well, this one and then like a small one. Okay. We have 3364, 648. Another fairy dust. Oh my gosh, look. This one is like, I don't know, it kind of looks like a salmon color. That's so pretty. Well, 161, 336, 327, 452, 3750, 341. Here is our AB, AB 3348. A green AB. Oh my gosh. I wonder if the ABs are going to be next to those fairy dusts. Woo. 154, 831, 939, 869, 824, 210, 304, 160, 165. Ooh, just a little bit of 3721. All right, we have a small strand left. Okay. We have 6021, 498, wait, yeah, 498, 930, 3843, 829, and 895. Lots of different colors there, like lots of shades of greens and browns, and then those bright colors for the flowers. So I'm going to pause the video here and I'm going to lay out this canvas and find out where the AB and fairy dust will be, and I'll be right back. Okay, I have it all flattened out best as I can, and I know where the ABs and stuff are going to go. So hopefully you can see it. Okay, so we have 3 fairy dusts and then 1 AB. So the AB was a green, and then there was a dark green fairy dust. So all of those are like throughout here in the grass, and all up in here in this tree, throughout all the grasses and the trees. The AB is close to the fairy dust, so they're going to seriously complement one another. And then we had that pale yellow fairy dust, which was just the dash, and that's these light colors that you see here. It's like a path or like a road going into the farm or whatever. And it's also the light yellow symbols here in the sky. And then we had that salmon colored fairy dust, and that is in these pink flowers here, along with the top of the buildings and the top of these cows. So really going to complement each other. And we have some in the pink, these pink flowers here as well. So I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so you can kind of see some of the rendering. So we're at the farmhouse here. Look at that. It's so well balanced. I love it a lot. And they got even these tiny little buildings back here. It's just so pretty. And if you do like to bling your canvases, you have a lot of opportunity to do so with these flowers. is like over here we have that fairy dust in these. You can do all sorts of things with these darker flowers, even down here with the blues, because there aren't any ABs or fairy dust down there. So you could do all sorts of things with these flowers. I love this piece so much. If you want to do it as a gift, you may want to get it soon. It was still in stock right before I filmed this, so definitely take a look. Keep an eye out for it or whatever. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you're brand new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything, and the notification bell so you know when I post. If you have not purchased from Diamond Art Club, previously, check out that link I have in the description to get a discount. And yeah, join their VIP group as well to check any, upcoming releases and whatnot. Yeah, until next time, everyone, thanks so much for watching. Hit the thumbs up on your way out. Until next time, bye-bye, everyone.